Hi guys, do you know someone can actually open your phone without you telling them your password or your passcode? Do you know it's actually very easy to open someone's phone without knowing their password or their passcode? And you can easily open your friend's phone, your mom's phone, your dad's phone, your boyfriend or your girlfriend's phone without asking them for their password. Okay, sit down, let me teach you how to do this step by step. It doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or if it's an Android, you can open any phone that has a password or a passcode if you follow these steps I'm about to show you now. Okay, so first of all, let's start with a phone that is using Face ID. Okay, if you have a phone using Face ID now, all you need to do is, if you're not the owner of the phone, you know the phone is not going to open with your face. So what you need to do, step one, is you should try the phone on your face. Keep trying it till it requires till it asks for what's it called, password or passcode. You know, when it gets to that level, even the owner can't open the phone with his or her face again. That's for phone with Face ID. If it's an Android phone or a phone with what's it called, fingerprints, do the same thing. Try your fingerprint. Since it is not your phone, it's not going to open. So try your fingerprint till it asks for password or passcode. You understand? So after that, when the phone is now asking for password or passcode, step two, what you need to do is clean the phone. Like clean the phone on your clothes or use an hanky or towel or anything to clean the phone. You understand? After doing that, that's step two. Step three, return the phone to the owner. Give the person the phone and be like, please, can you help me open your phone? Now, the person won't be able to use his or her fingerprint or face to open the phone. So the person has no other option than to put his or her password or passcode. So now, the next step is that stay far away from the person, not too far though. You can stand in front of the person so the person has to feel comfortable opening the phone. You understand? Now, what you need to do next is watch the person's finger movements. You understand? Because you know you're in front of the person. See, just make sure you're staying in a position whereby you can see the finger movements. You need the finger movement because even if you see where he or she is pressing, you need to know where to press first, where to press second, where to press next, and all of that. So now, the next step, that's what we're talking about now, is you watching the movement of the person. Now, one thing you would notice is that most people don't clean their phone after typing their password. You understand? Now, the reason why I asked you to clean the phone before giving the phone back to the person is because the person might have been using the phone before, so there are many fingerprints there. What you're looking for is actually the fingerprints. So now you have to clean all those fingerprints so that the phone will be clean and you'll be able to see wherever the person presses or how the person draws his code or any of that. So now, after you've watched the movements of the person, the next step is collect the phone back. Now, lock the phone. When you lock the phone, you've seen the movements, where the person touched first, where the person touched next, and all of that. So now you've seen the movements. All you need to look for now, which is the most important step, is to look for the fingerprints, because the fingerprints will be showing on the phone. Since you cleaned the phone before giving the person, the fingerprints will be showing on the phone. Now, look for any environment where you can see the fingerprint, like maybe under lights or under sun or somewhere. Just make sure the person doesn't clean the phone again before giving you the phone. Now, if you're not seeing the fingerprints, no wala, just carry the phone and do like that on the phone. Now it will bring out the fingerprint. It will bring out the fingerprints. Now you've seen the movement. All you need to do is just click where the fingerprint is, following the movements you studied when the person was opening the phone, and that's all. Boom. You've opened the person's phone. Now the lesson from this is, anytime you use your fingerprint, anytime you put your password or your code on your phone with your hand, not with your fingerprints, not with your fingerprints or with your face ID, not with your face actually, sorry. What you need to do is clean your phone. If you don't clean your phone after using your hand to open your phone, trust me, it is very easy for a stranger or anybody to open your phone without actually knowing your password or your passcode. Don't try this on your boyfriend's phone, no. to avoid stories that touches the heart. But this is a very easy, simple, sweet way to open your friend's phone. This is how I open my friend's phone, and until tomorrow she's still surprised. And my brother has changed his password like 20 times. But he keeps falling into my trap. So this is just a step-by-step way to open someone's phone without actually knowing their password or their passcode. Shh, I didn't tell you anything. Bye. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.